And penifo say enso tap on chana aya waje wo. Enough is enough. I wish you Ghana for especially over northern region, the people of the northern region. Oh my God. Omu kyerɛ mu sɛ bɔkofoɔ no ɔmu mpa asomdua a ama mpanimfoɔ mu nyinaa mo nkama adwene mu na mo nkɔtwa gya nto bɔko kuro no na mo nsi kuro no nsi ɔmu nyinaa na mo mfo mo nsi ehunu firi Ghana ha dɔm nkɔ mɛma nkyerɛ mu no akyerɛ w'adwene ama me ɛwɔ comment section aha Penyah block media mɛsɛ sɛ ni dem obɛ like video no ada ma put subscribe button sound click notification icon of latest update na bɛkyerɛ w'adwene de ama me ɛwɔ comment section mɛsɛ ɔba so a na kyerɛ fo so anya bi ahwɛ bɔko ntɔkwa no ada hɔ akyɛ from the something bɔlebɔle bɔ adeɛ ana bɔko ntɔkwa abɛda hɔ no mo ne nyina yɛ ahensɛm ahensie wei sɛ mi na ɔsɛ akonya no metena soɔ wei sɛ mi na ɔsɛ de ahenie no ɛma meɛ ana government mu ase ɛde abɛto abusuakuo mmienu ntam two tribes mampuru sɛ ɛne kusi asefo ɔmo ako akyɛ paa ɛma nipa a nam bɔko ntɔkwa no so awu deɛ bebrebe nipa awuo innocent people ɔmo awuo no enya asem kuma you know ade wakwa na hi wo ade we ho no say anytime bia ntokwa bi se besi no ho enipa na ye pre omo pre ade die no ahemfumere na omo pre say me na o se midi me na o se midi no omo ma eni krom ho bio eba sei na omo ma enka ntokwa sa nkwase ntokwa no mo kunu no omo ma nko bi omo ma nka ho omo ti krom furo so ena omo so su jagum yo yam yodum ano mo so kunkum wo mo ho ho no mo erade nyame edi wakonto kwan ada ho ache obia president bia ba wo trust be na from there they solve but to no avail just ada ho from the something ebesi ne na politicians so no else sujagum kakra omo so sujagum kodi awofo dom so hia kire else sujagum kakra others here for their selfish political interest na almost sujagum nkakra enipa bia wo se bɔko ntɔkwa no yɛde ne kɔ ɛma ne kɔ siesie no yɛde na kɔ president akɔka asafo kukudam akabi to the point is say Otumfuo nana pia wo nkwaso asase nyameka se kinsoro mo aka we blame ɔno kura atena bɔko ntawa ne so aka senka ɔhwede yie atu yie but anteli ɔka we ye na no mampugu for no e be rejected the recommendation we no omu be rejected ma Otumfuo recommendation no or recommend say eye mampuzi hine na owo bɔko no eye na aba seidu abagere ono on free bɔko ho no either say one obetena bɔko as a commoner and say so be so carry himself as a chief there and on free bɔko no nko na yiri na ne onko na ni chief sem no ewo ho no mo ba so mo hwe ya na on free ho no mo and tell it because of that no president esma national security soldiers for call ho tabri ni free ekuro no mo edini fro ema eno asa akoka asem na chikrom so mo ntiase se adentina president ema soldier ni edi soldiers ebetuo omu henase efri bɔko edini ko eno no omu ntiase ema ne omu ebe kasa man okay eno a video me de bro no lady no kasa kwa na o ka shame on you Otumfuo shame on asanta I just say no de na no say e ka to Otumfuo say shame on you.
Salamu alaikum. Right now I want to ask this question. What is the government trying to tell us? What is JM trying to tell us? What is Otumfuo and the military trying to tell us? Well, I don't blame the military. They are working under authority. If they have been asked to do anything, they will do it exactly what they asked them to do. So the military, I don't really blame them because they are working with authority. First of all, there's a so-called mediation report, which Otumfuo recommended two things, which is one, either Alaji Bokunaba, Alaji Sedu Abagre goes back to Nayiri, or he stays in Bawku as a commoner. And this recommendation, you JM or the government do not have to choose for him. You gave two recommendations, and he has not told you whether he wants to stay in Bawku as a commoner or he wants to go to Nayiri and stay there. Nobody told you what he is about. So you cannot choose among the recommendation what you want him to do for him, all because of power. We have been quiet for so long. JM, shame on you. Shame on Otumfuo. God will punish all of you.
Wait, can't you for the shame on you? If you are see a buff. If you are see a buff. Wait, can't you for the shame on you? I say, oh, when you're watching some person with Janto Quano. Now we say, I know, and a media no so. You see, in so tap on China, ya what you want. Bawku for ya beremo. Ghana phone chance ya bre Bawku for no. It is excellency. So almost so mun Janto Quana. Now, one of us mu kun dokwa kun mu a manenya simple ema wo mu ye innocent people be afro no how yo mu free ho ye government worker be afro police soldier nurses teachers yo mu nyina free ho no ma how yo mu free ho na kuro no mu twajantum mu twajantum chi kuro no condemn no for myself because e kuro kuma bi no ntimi disturb the peace of this country in that man obuntimi ha Ghana for ya dwen sa ya bre wo mu
for munkwana moye Ghana Bawku munkwana moye Ghana fo ana de bia be rex ye men ye be deploy ye men de bia Bawku you think say your officers for na ye deploy mo de ye de omo e ba ho no mo ye mo billions of cedis and I say just ye mom at the pebia they don't get anything, they are just risking their life for nothing. They are coming to risk their life for you people for nothing. And then what is going on? We have 16 regions. Baby, I come, baby, I peaceful. And then I'm going giddy. And then I'm
I was for wait a quick one. Yamayina have fish shapa. You know, say fish sabrana, bibia a yakama. Katabia chime, until Ora Casano, and ya yam, Sazam of Fancham. Problem I what Bawku see na make a wasam kakra. Yasra Ghana buying him penny for a tray of Hunina, she said. Mon quadrant cro. Mon fat stamp in siso. No munina, margin ko Bawku say. Say yanta for the air, gonna say yam masum dream Magana higher, Bawku hono. Muyi omo moye innocent and free Bawku. Na yan to fence one for Kurum for Jantum. Yan say Kurono. Aday. Yan would have said to aqua could dim como. Eden the verdict a quase, when mamma buatain. Nemon me shama asumjia abba. Dia deniana diana young farmer. Still and talk where coso manipe kuna. Ye kumanipa honoma. Yet what day. Yet why edge day. Oh, has a for a more obedient baby I want tears here. And put in my bed in Abakurum Honma one near Ecosi Hono. Perifono parliament in there, one my Kakahun, a monqua, a junqua monqua for trumpet to Kuruno Suncha to machine, and she woman and I wahana. Yes, I don't know the four. Uncle every beam. Kahana and as and the phone. What is a modi ever young quacra, a besom mosa. Now, Omo Shikuron Sano. Jimmy Salmon Quan Crasium. Tibokona Jimmy Qua. A month for a pen a pa edema on crop. E prim puntunjuma won kuro mu ne ade no muti boko na kura asesem ne jimi e kum ho mwa monti na ho yere yete ha o te ye enjoy buru ye ba ye behwe yaku yaku na ntwie yaku na ntwie ne yewe azanti ma mo de o ha de mwa mane gusuru ho no na jimi nko na mu jimi wo suru ho wora munyime ya mfa ho opa mun kum ho anya ne mo ba ye tia ya ma ho ne ma ho chena yen si ho tia ya mo jimi no
Abusia me demo ko Bawku na eno e de betu dwa se Ghana Armed Forces omoko remove Mampugu rival chief or Bawku efeni Sedu Abagri na sisia make say Mampugu Traditional Council so the press statement about one thing say the Ghana Armed Forces here no ma condemning the free betrayed mo dwene say aban no your mama with time intimi read your press release ni na ma na pese me bisa se kusasefo ne mampurisifo ne de na omoji no wiase de be pa na moji no wiase se o Ghana ha sei ope one of the poorest area development delay pa Bawku be dikan. Bawku is one of the poorest area wa Ghana ha sei, all because of this conflict with development current mean Bawku. So ntimo ho ase, because at the end of the day nipa baako ne be dimo so. You cannot have two paramount chiefs in one paramountcy. It cannot happen. Nti ntimo ho ase say we enendi ohene we enendi yeso. Nti nipa kum ene yemofa na de bia ne yesesa government resources ne de akoboko, de bia ne yesesa sojafoɔ peacekeeping ne de omakogu Bawku na ban boboko ho ka. Nanso sika we na nke de development kula nke nya ya. Sika we nke de development nke nya ya say peacekeeping expenditure bia ho hia pressure ne de to aban ne so. Nti Bawkufoɔ, it is about time a monjin tumma sunjwe mbra Bawku na Ghana fo abremo aye yie aden nipa baako de bia mo ko asunjwe mo pa asunjwe aden de na moje.
Good morning, guys. So, Bawku people, what is happening? I believe this conflict started way back, even if before I was even given birth to. And to date, they are still fighting. They are still killing each other. Until when will you give small peace a chance? Look at the community, deprived of development. Innocent people, teachers, nurses, doctors, who have been posted there are not finding it easy at all because of misunderstanding. To the extent that Otumfuo had to come in to mediate, and even that, some factions do not understand. And day in, day out, killing people, children, women. It's high time the government take a bold decision on these people. Because 60% of our defense budget is, targeted at Bawku. Why? Can't you give peace, everyone name peace, a small chance, keke, so that the community can develop and be part of the Ghana we all want it to be? The security services that have been posted there, the Air Force, the military, the police, the immigration, they have families, they have loved ones. They are there to maintain law and order. And look at the nonsense people are doing there. Look at the foolish things people are doing there. The 16 regions in this country, there is small Bawku. This fight started not yesterday, way back, even before I was even given birth to. And still, you people are fighting. Still, you are killing yourselves. Why? Until when? And what's it dabe? The government must take a very drastic and tough decision on Bawku. Evacuate all the strangers, the teachers, the nurses, the doctors, everybody that is concerned, who is a stranger, who is not a native, relocate them and leave them. Let them kill themselves. Once they are done, give them 3 months, they'll kill themselves. Then we'll find people to community in that community again, develop the community. What is this? What is this? Can't you see other regions are developing all over the place? Look at Volta, look at Ashanti region, look at Eastern region, look at Central. Greater Accra, look at the way they are developing. You won't give peace a small chance. Peace, you won't give it small chance. Okay. What? What are you looking for? The damn pan I'm here we ask. Oh. I'm really, really disappointed. Man, Bawku.
What I say? Yabre womu. To mu nko ano mu ntimi haya adwene da bia sa. To mu chere say is excellency. Omu empe kwa mi fa Bawkufoɔ no emfasa. Wo se wadwe ene say. Tell wadwe mama e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media. Accra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!